Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Irina. I'm back with something else again. This one's from Amazon. Since we're having a New Year's, let's make a party puppet. Party puppets. I don't know what's in here. Well, let's check it out. Since we're having a New Year's, let's pop it. Let's pop it. It says Party Poppet Teenies. Let's see what Poppet Teenies we have for the 2022, guys. 2022 Party Pop Teenies. And I feel like I'm going to be here forever. Because, like, I'm peeling like oranges. Then around and round I go. Where I stop, nobody knows. Around and round I go. Where I stop, I don't know. Round and round and round and round and round. Where it stops, I don't know. Where it stops, I don't know. But this is cool to me. I'm being silly right now, 'cause there's nothing better to do but to make videos for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Irina. This one, remember, I got this from Amazon. This is called Party Poppet Teenies. So, in the celebration, still in the celebration of the new year 2022, let's see what's in here. It better not pop up nothing out of here. I am telling you, not picking up confetti. This better not be confetti stuff. I will have a cow. Please tell me this is not a confetti popper, because this to me looked like a toy. It's showing me instructions like if this was a toy. But if it is, you see how it's aimed? It's aimed towards ya. So let's see. What do I do? Is this another plastic over it? Let me read the instructions here. This is the instructions. It says here, up here, don't pull. Okay, I gotta pull here. It says pull here. Oh my God, this better not be confettied. Alright, let's see. Pull here. This is what it says to pull. Pull tire tab. I'm trying to. I'm having a hard time getting the tab. What tab? I don't see the tab. I'm having a hard time, guys, finding the tab. What is this? Okay, I turn this off. It says to peel this off. So I'm peeling this off. Whoa. Whoa. One gift here. Whoa. What is this? I got a secret message inside. Oh, look at this. These are the collectible collectioneer. Ooh, these are pretty girls. Wow, collectibles. I'm still gonna face this your way, so I don't pop in my face. I'm gonna save this one until I get everything out. So I guess there was a secret here. Click back. This arrow is facing down, so as this. put it back. Now the top arrow is facing that way, so I have to turn, guys. Woo! It popped on you guys. Uh-huh. Look at all these. Look at this. It didn't pop right. They were stuck together. Confetti teddy bears. Confetti teddy bears. It popped on you. Look. Stringies. I told you it was gonna pop. But I faced it to you guys. Look. I even got a snowy sticker. I got another one. You got a penguin sticker. What else you got? Globey stickers. Look, a puppy reindeer head. A lot of these glitter teddy bear looking things. We have another star. We have a star. And we also have a gingerbread. Very festive. This is cool. This is actually heavy, guys. I wonder what else is in here. She popped up. Let me see if I take her out. Do I take her out? Does she come out? How do I take this out? She just magically sprung out. So what do I do? Push her back in? Do I take her out? How do I get her out? That's it? She stays in there? Oh, I have to twist and get her out. Oh. Twist and get her out. She's pretty. Serial number. It's very pretty. Cute to collect, guys. Very cute. That's it. I don't get nothing else. There's a spring in there. That's it. I think once the spring is open, there's nothing to do. I just put her back on here like this. Let's see. Oh, I almost forgot this. What's this, guys? What's this? She gets an ice cream mold. Can she hold this? No. She get an ice cream mold. Put it upside down like that. What else is in here? Got a couple little stuff in here. And she's got a snow. There you go. Now, this ice cream will go where? I don't see it where it will go. If it goes in her hands. Does she carry it? Her arms don't. I don't think she carries it. I think it just goes with her. See? I have to put a little star thing on top of her. I don't know where this would go, but I will be putting it in the bottom of the tube itself. Now, I don't know, what would you do with this? You throw it away or keep it? I will keep my little things here. I like my little surprise things that came out of here. So piece by piece, put back. Okay, put all my little stickers together in here like that. Then on top of that, I will put in all these confetti teddy bears back inside. Confetti teddy bears, confetti teddy bears. I like this puppet. I wouldn't buy it again. This is cute. I like the fact that it's collectible, but this is not one of mine. I'm not really attracted to this. I'm just checking to see if there's anything else anywhere. But okay, hope you guys like my video. Remember, Amazon. See you guys later. Bye.